huwag niyo pong kalimutan kayo ang manood. Yung gusto ko sa vloggers kasi yung vloggers kasi talagang you are an authority in what you do because you actually test the product. So I hope you really watch the movie para pag nirecommend nyo, mas genuine yung recommendation. Diba? Hindi lang yung ano lang sa press con at ito yung kwento nila. So I'm really hoping that you can watch it para you can share with other people to watch the movie. Kasi yung sabi ni Bossing, traditional yung vloggers and ako I love vloggers obviously of the generation nila. Kasi iba yung audience at na dinadala ninyo eh. And that's the most important thing about the film test, to bring in new types of audiences to see the movie, di ba? Kasi yung dating mga nanonood doon, nanonood na yun eh. Kayo sa akin nagdadala ng mga bagong klaseng audience. And I think that's the only thing you can wish for, variety in terms of content and also in terms of audience set. So I really hope that you will watch my Big Bossing kasi medyo may pasikat na ginawa ito si Raisa. So I hope you can get to watch it and you recommend it of course to your readership, to your viewers, to your followers. And I'm hoping to see you in the premiere and I hope to bump with some of you during the regular screenings. Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat.
Hi mga Rubbercats, mga ka-vloggers. Huwag niyo po kakalimutan sa December 25 ang may Big Bossing. Sa December 22 yung premiere night po namin sa SM Mega Mall, Cinema 10. Tsaka po, sa December 23, Parade of Stars.
23 na.
At
Dami mga schedule.
sa December 27 po, ay yung awards night po. Tatanggap po ako ng award dun eh.
Thank you. Again, thank you. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Rubbercats sa Naruto. And once again, we're asking for your help, your support. Like yung sinabi ko kanina, importante kayo sa amin. Malaking bagay kayo para maging successful muli ang ating pelikula may Big Bossing at hindi naman kayo mapapahiya na i-recommend sa inyong readers, inyong mga viewers dahil as they say, bongga ang pelikula namin. Ito hindi lang bonggang-bongga, bonggang-bonggang-bongga. I can assure you that. And for now, thank you. And may we have happy and Merry Christmas and a good 2015.